Quick video, irrigation control box for sprinkler system or irrigation, whichever nomenclature one would like to use. Question, we have the wiring here, we have the 24-volt power supply here, etc. So we set it, we go over here, we set the box or whatnot. We have the common, we have the zone 1, 2, 3, 4. We have this, I'm not sure if this is pump, and this rain sensor here, maybe, I'm not certain on that. If you have one, I'm not certain. I don't think it's mandatory. My opinion is, I may be wrong or may be right on that. I'm not certain, but if you do, it may connect here. But notwithstanding, the issue is the plug-in here. As simple as it sounds, this is just a simple electrical plug-in, a hot and a ground and a neutral. You got the hot is, it may be, the electricians can give me some help here. Maybe the smaller one could be the hot, I'm not certain. The larger one, the neutral, and then the bottom one, the funny looking one, would be your ground. But the question is one notes the plug-in here is not that big. Physically speaking, is what I'm saying. It's just not bulky. Now, some of the older boxes had the transformer made onto the end of the plug, so it was a big square box. And I'm not a big kind of a groupie in regards to this, or a fan, so to speak, because it just seemed like when you plugged it in, if you had a two outlet plug-in, it just seemed like it was kind of bulky-esque to plug in. Sometimes it might just take up some space, more space than I would like. So I like this better. And then the question is, the old one may have had the transformer, I'm not certain, built onto the end of this, which was, say, like a big block. But this one here, as one can see, if we take this apart, the transformer's on the inside here. Now, I like this better. I guess it would be a primary. It would go from perhaps somewhere in the range 120 to step it down to 24 volts. So, but it's behind the face of it, and it's ensconced here so that one can see here. But it gives you, on the end of the plug, it gives you more space with the end of the plug, as opposed to having a big. And also, when the transformer was on the end of the plug, the thing just gets heavy too. If it's lying down holding the wires, this wire here seems very durable. So, but if you had a smaller wire with it hanging down, it just seems like it could put more tension. But thankfully, somebody has upgraded and put the transformer in the back behind the face of it here. So this is a nice little setup here, in my opinion. So I just kind of like it. It seems like it's more user-friendly when you go to plug the plug-in into the wall outlet. Say, for instance, your plug-in here, when you plug it into your outlet, your electrical outlet, it just makes it a lot easier with a plug-in, something along the line of this, so that basically notwithstanding that but it just takes up less space, makes it easier. So now one has this, if they remove the box, you can see the transformer is exposed here. And so it's out of the way, and it's very convenient, in my opinion. So just two different ways. It's not to say one's right, the other one's wrong, but I like it this way better, in my opinion, but notwithstanding. So anyway, transformer in the back of an irrigation control box, and this is a sprinkler system box for an underground irrigation system. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.